Want to improve your brand value? Imagine the power and the increase in reputation when you get recommended by Google. When you get recommended by Google, your brand value, that is, your company's online recognition, goes through the roof. Potential customers seek you out because you have the Google seal of approval. Your job of finding new leads just got easier. The Google badge and seal of approval gives a great first impression. It looks pretty glamorous when you are only one of 2 or 3 that are showing up in the very top of the search page. See what Vivian, a business owner, says.
I am getting calls from customers every day with local service ads.
What about the cost? At this point, you might be thinking, what about the cost? Do you pay for advertising? Of course, you do. Everyone does. What if we could sit down and figure out how to reallocate your budget so there's no net out-of-pocket expense for getting new leads and calls and expanding your business? Unlike search box optimization, where you don't pay for advertising, here with LSAs, you do. We can find ways to increase revenue first, so you have the funds to invest in improving your company image, which is your brand, increase the number and quality of leads, and come out a winner. See what Dylan says.
Getting leads can be very difficult, confusing, expensive, and time-consuming. Local service ads solved all these problems. The price I paid per lead was extremely affordable.
Have only a modest budget to work with? This Google seal of approval, where you are seen first, right on top of the entire page, surprisingly, and thankfully, allows even businesses with a modest budget to perform phenomenally well. This is why we call this green check mark, Google Green Gold, as it is precious and highly valuable. Actually, LSA is less expensive than the methods you are using now to gain new customers. We will look together at how to get you approved, what is required and how to reallocate funds, so you minimize out-of-pocket expense to add customers to your business. To find out how to work with your budget, to make use of this amazing opportunity for more appointments and jobs, connect with us. To qualify for the recommendation by Google, and to know how many leads you can get with your allocated ad budget, connect today. What do you think about this? Let me know. Thanks.